Hello everyone, James here. In this video we will go over GDAX, which is a Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum trading platform. It's owned by Coinbase. It's really easy to use. When you're doing limit orders, you don't pay any fees. However, you pay fees when you do market orders. So let's get to it. As far as when you log in or sign up, when you log in with your Coinbase account ID and password. If you never logged in to GDAX before, we'll ask you a couple of questions and verify you. Then after that, you can start trading. So when you log in, you got your account information right here, your account, orders, file, settings, API, and fees. Then you have your name right here, notification from GDAX. You have BTC volume right here, or any of the 4 coins that are available, percentage change right there, and the current price will be right here, and this will be our pair. Which pair you want to trade, you can just click on one, and that's about it as far as that goes. Right here we got our USD balance, we got our BTC balance. If I add dollars, it will show right here. You can deposit, you can withdraw. The way deposit works, you can bank wire, you can deposit with your bank account, the same bank account that you have with Coinbase. You can transfer it from your Coinbase account. If you have, like, let's say if I want to transfer that BTC, I can just put 0.6 BTC and click deposit funds, and it will deposit it to my GDAX account. If I want to deposit from another wallet to this account, I can just have this address or give this address away to someone, and they can deposit it for me. And I say withdraw is the same thing. If I want to withdraw the BTC that I add on my GDAX, I can click whatever amount I want to withdraw and withdraw funds. If I want to withdraw to an address, I will click withdraw the address, the amount, and my 2-factor authentication code. If you don't have the app, you can click the get code and they will send you a text message. And another thing you can do, if you have dollar, if you want to deposit USD, you can just click bank account and you can deposit it directly to your bank account. So right here, that's where the magic happens. You have market order. If you wanna buy it from market instead of having limit orders. So when you do market order, you have to pay fees. Right here is our limit order, where it's like, okay, I wanna buy Bitcoin at this price, and you can click on amount of dollar you have, or you can just put like, okay, you want to buy 1 BTC at that price, and it will wait. As soon as it hits that price, the order will get executed. And then you also have a stop order. If you want to put a stop, like, hey, I want to buy BTC at this, okay, stop, I want to buy what if BTC goes above this price. So the traders, they use the stop order, and the same thing with sell order. If you want to sell your BTC, if it goes below certain percent, you can do that as well with here. And same thing with limit order. If you want to sell it at market price, you can do that this way. You can just click on whatever price you want, or you can name your own price. Let's say you want to sell it at 50,000, for example. You just put 50,000, 1 BTC, and you place it in the market, and you just wait. If it hits with 50,000, your order will go through. And same thing with the market. If you want to sell it, then you're going to sell it right away. I will just click that. If I click sell, it will sell at this price, at current price, or whichever is the available price. So right here we have our sell orders. The people that want to sell, these are the people who want to sell 23 Bitcoin, and right here is the buy order. Someone wants to buy 15 Bitcoin. It's not just one person, it's a group of people all the orders from the market. And the same thing, if you zoom out, it will be the same thing, both buy and sell. You can also change the percentage so you can have a better look like what's going on with the overall market. Is it a lot of buy or is it a lot of sell? So this keeps you in the loop. And all right, that's our order book. That's trade history, like how many trades, the trades that went already through will be right here. This will be our chart. Our chart tells us what's going on with the market, where's the high, where is the low. You can change the time frame if you want to 1 minute, 5, to a day. You can change the candle to a line. That's an indicator if you want to use that. And you also have a like depth chart, like okay, this is the sell orders, these are the buy orders. And right here, if you put like, let's say I want to sell that at this price, right? Once I click sell, that will pop up right here. If I want to cancel it, I can just click on cancel, or I can just click cancel on here, and it will cancel it for me. And the same thing with buy orders. If you want to buy on these orders, you don't pay any fees, so you don't have to worry about that. What you can check on your fills, and it will tell you like what was the price, how much it got filled, and what was the fee. And it's usually if it is a limit order, there's no fees, and there's the time as well. So that's about it as far as GDAX goes. If you have any questions, concerns, please ask. I'm here to help. Have a great day. Till next time.